Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Slack workflow and workflow builder for approvals, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Slack and navigate to the workspace where you want to create the workflow. Click on the workspace name at the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Select Tools from the drop-down menu. Click on Workflow Builder. In the Workflow Builder, select Create Workflow. Give your workflow a meaningful name to reflect its purpose. Choose a trigger for your workflow by clicking on Select a Trigger. For an approval workflow, select Shortcut or Webhook depending on how you want users to initiate the process. Add a brief description to explain how users can start the workflow. Once the trigger is set, click Add Step to define the actions of your workflow. Select Add Approval from the list of available options. In the approval step, provide a clear title for the approval request. Add a description of what the approval is for, ensuring it's concise and informative. Define the approvers by adding their Slack usernames or email addresses. Set a due date for the approval, if necessary, to create urgency. Choose whether or not to send reminders for the approval request. Once you have configured the approval step, click Save. Continue adding additional steps as needed, depending on your workflow requirements. You may include notifications to inform users of the approval outcome. When all steps are configured to your liking, click Publish. Review your workflow to ensure everything is correctly set. To test the workflow, trigger it using the method you've configured. Monitor the approval process to gather feedback and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, you can promote the workflow within your team for regular use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.